everybody, I'm Stef with Katie Blue Salon, and today I'm gonna show you how to get big, sexy, touchable hair that feels like you don't have products in it with just 2 products and a few minutes of your time. Okay, so I have just shampooed, conditioned, washed my hair. This is completely air dried. It is straight. My hair naturally, it's a little bit thin, a little bit, you know, it's just super straight and it doesn't have a lot of personality going on right now. Okay, so to achieve our big sexy hair today, we're gonna use 2 R&Co products. We've got Sandcastle and Trophy. First product we're gonna use is my all-time favorite hair product probably ever. This is Sandcastle by R&Co. It's a dry texture cream. And one of the many things that I love about it is it's going to give you that big, sexy textured hair, but it's not crunchy. It's really fun to play with because you grab it up and it feels like wet sand. So after we're done building our sandcastle with R&Co Sandcastle, we're gonna go in with Trophy at the root. Trophy is a shine and texture spray. It looks natural, it looks healthy, but it's gonna give you that volume at the root. We're gonna go in first with a little bit of our Sandcastle. Just gonna I like to work, I don't like to grab up too much product at once. I just get a little bit on my finger. I work it in my hands, and once it warms up a little bit, it becomes more like a glaze, like that. And then usually I go in first and form my bangs. So I kind of like to grab at it and do this, just work it in there. You really want to work the product in because if you have darker hair and the product itself is kind of lighter in color, you really want to make sure that you work it in because it can leave like a whitish streak in darker colored hair. So just make sure that you're really working the product in there while you're shaping your style. And once you've worked the product in, you can go in with your hands and start shaping it to the shape that you want. And if you've found that you've put a little bit too much product in one spot and it feels a little clumpy, you can just grab that spot where there's a little too much product and just continue to work it in and even it out. It's like watching a plant grow before your eyes. Now that we have sandcastled, we've built a sandcastle, we're gonna go into our roots with R&Co's Trophy. This is a shine and texture spray. You can spray this on wet towel dried hair or you can use it on dry hair. So I'm just gonna do a little spritzy poo on the top, and then I'm going to, now you can use a comb or your hands. I'm gonna use my hands, and I'm going to pick up sections of my hair, just like that. And we're gonna kind of spray into the root, pick up, spray into the root. We're gonna do the same thing towards the back. On the other side, we're gonna spray onto our root. Also take a comb or your tangle teaser, and if you like that kind of 60s-esque bump to bring the hair towards the back, just once again go in with your hands and shape it up. And look at all that volume at the root. I love to see it. Another thing that I love about this Trophy spray is it does a great job of taming any flyaways. You know, when you're done, you can even kind of go in and just slightly spray on top and just kind of work those flyaways down, because the Trophy does have quite a bit of hold. So it's like a hairspray, it's kind of built in. That hold is built into the texture spray. so here we go. Just a few minutes of your time and just 2 R&Co products and you can have big, sexy, textured hair. That's it, R&Co's Sandcastle and Trophy. Katie Blue Salon, we are so excited to be offering R&Co products to you. They are vegan, they are sustainably made, and you can come on into the salon and grab these products, or you can go to our website, katiebluesalon.com, and click the Shop R&Co link, and you can have these bad boys mailed conveniently to your house.
Everybody's talking about you.